So this is gonna be a short video of me explaining how I did the modifications on this IKEA Stråla LED light. It's a quite simple light, on and off button with a timer and 3 lights. I found that quite boring, so I replaced the LED lights with some addressable LED lights instead. So this is gonna be a fairly quick video of how I did it. First thing I did was to remove these ones. Quite simple, just pull them out, and inside each of everyone is it is a small plastic fitting where the small LED lights, these ones, original ones, are connected. So I desoldered all of those and replaced them with this one instead, WS2812B, standard 5mm 4 connectors. And then I took some small wire to connect data to each and every one of the diodes. That was the tricky part, to get this one to each and every one and between them. And the way I solved that was to use this cotton thread. I think it's originally made for making carpets or something. Very thin and very light. And I used that one and a vacuum cleaner, and tried to put it in and use the vacuum cleaner on the other side to suck it out. And when I got it through, I connected it to the wire and pulled it back. It took quite some time. Inside each and every one of these 2 pipes there is a rubber seal or rubber fitting of some kind to protect the wire, I guess, which made it a small pain in the ass to get it through. I guess it took an hour or 2 to make it work. Next thing I did was to put in the ESP. Let's see if I can get this one up. Quick and dirty stuff there. I just removed all these ones for the batteries, desolder it and remove the small circuit board that was under here. No need for that one. And I used the Dremel to cut it out, and the angle grinder for the cable. This is metal. And you can see the data cable and the original power cable here. So it's 3 wires from this one. First I took this one up here, and then I took another wire that way and this way. Well, I guess that's about it. I used if you take a look at this one, it's 4 connectors. 2 outermost are data connectors, and the ones in the middle are plus and minus. So I soldered the cables, the original ones, to the ones in the middle, and the cable I installed to the outer ones, and then I used some small shrink tube to prevent short circuit. The small plastic fitting fits in between the middle ones, so no need to put shrink tubes on those ones. That's about it for the mechanical parts. On this ESP I used WLED software. Quite simple, you can install it directly from a web page. So, and the Home Assistant will auto-detect it, so it's fairly simple. I'm powering the LEDs with the ESP, 5 volts, so no problem. Yeah, that's it.